Good news, everyone! Yesterday, Hero just dropped a new firmware update. So yesterday, GoPro just dropped version 1.4 firmware update for their Hero lineup. It includes the new features to add support for Volta, improve quick capture, auto upload, hindsight capture, real or half speed button, and also the improved reliability when there are a lot of devices paired into the camera. And there are also usability improvements, including fixing the audio calibration issue if the camera is used with Media Mod, something that I use. And it also fixes issue where audio meter is not displayed properly. How to download it? All you need to do is just follow the instructions when you turn on the Quick app, and the Quick app will ask you whether you want to download the new firmware, and obviously you choose yes. Follow the step-by-step instruction. Within about 5-10 minutes, everything will be up and running and your GoPro will have new functionalities. After all said and done, you're absolutely done. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to click the bell notification button so the next time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.